Hey guys, G Money. Just before the video starts, let me just tell you, Discord link is in the description. So check the description, just hit the title, it'll pop up, and you can see my Discord and, get notified when a new video is alert. See ya. As G Money, I want to show you how to draw a good bird. So yeah, let's just get started. So what you want to do is draw like the back of the bird, and then like draw the head, and then make a little bump out, make it come down, and then make the tail. I'm gonna erase this little, and then fix the chest. And then add the eye, the beak, then the little nose hole, and then draw the little feathers on top of the head, and then erase it a little so that it isn't so long that it's hard to do anything. Make the legs, both of them, one tinier than the other by a little, and then make the wings. Let me erase it a little. It's a little on the fat side. So you want it to have like a little point and then come up and make it like a little on the, bigger side. And then the white underbelly, the white glow on the belly. And then make the log, or just make a stick to just like make the bird be perched on something. Make the insides of the stick, and then just like make curved things, like curved lines, so that it looks like the stick has some dimensions. And there you have it. I am so sorry that the the camera's upside down, but this is G Money, and I will see y'all next time. See ya!